For this county, what you want to do is click on the Overbids icon. And here is the Palm Beach County auction site. And to see if there's any surplus, what you want to do is click on View Auction Calendar and use the calendar to go to the date you want. And I'm just going to choose a date in January. Palm Beach has their auctions once a month. So this one was January 15th, so it's over. And when I click on it, really you just need to do the math to see if there is any surplus on the records. And here you see a record, the opening bid and the winning bid. Not much in surplus there. So, and these didn't receive any bids, so we just look down, and here's a good one. It started at almost 11,000, it ended at 29,000, so there would be some surplus there for that record. Now, if you click the plus sign on a record and you click the parcel number, it will bring up the property appraiser's website, but you need to be careful and know that that is just going to show you the owner, who is the owner right now. And you want to make sure if you're looking at older records that you look to see who was the owner at the time of the auction. So let's see, this auction was January 15th. I'm just going to go ahead and open that up. And so the Aspiration Homes LLC is the owner right now, but if you look at the sales information and the dates, January of 2020. So I'm going to click on this one. That is still showing, that it was in the property was in the hands of the county clerk and went to Aspiration Homes. So I want one record back from that, and I'm going to go to this next one. So the people who purchased it here, well, it was a Sheffield Condominium Association, so that is the owner. That is who is the owner at the time of the auction. And I don't know if you want to, you probably shouldn't bother going after condominiums. They're pretty well into getting the surplus on their own. Florida Overbids gives you a link and video for each county showing how to retrieve the surplus records. There's also a link to each website you need for all 67 counties. We have helpful resources, client forms, surplus claim forms, plus we teach you the surplus claim process. You can join Florida Overbids by itself, or you can receive a free membership if you subscribe to our other website, Surplus Database. Surplus Database gives you a new set of surplus records every auction day in the Florida counties. Plus, you also receive a business website that you can customize and edit however you'd like. We do have training videos showing you how to do so. And you also receive an online database that is right on your website, and you can use it to organize your surplus records, and it helps you through the claim process by keeping track of the status that you set on each record. We also locate and download the property information reports from each of the counties and store them all in one online repository. This saves you a lot of time in trying to find all of these property reports yourself. You use these reports to see if there are any liens on the property that may take some of the surplus. And we do have videos and training to show you how to do the lien research as well. If you choose the Pro subscription level on Surplus Database, we actually perform the lien research for you, and we give you a claimant's report for every surplus record. If you want to work surplus records from other states, we can help you locate their claim forms, figure out what the claim process is, and gather the contact information for the county. We also have an Excel spreadsheet that serves as a template that you can put your surplus records on and be able to import those records from the other states into your online database that is on your business website. Here are some of the items you will find on the Resources tab. And this is an ongoing process where we constantly add new items that would be helpful to you to this tab. And lastly, we have a help desk on the website that is there 24/7, and we are ready for your questions.